Hello, welcome to my presentation on the memory matching game. So I'll be walking through the code. This is the HTML that that is that was used to build the structure, and here it made use of an external um, script called Sweet Alert 2, and here it talks about the time and movement, and here are the buttons to play again and start again. Then it was tied with the CSS. This is a CSS was used for the styling. Then the logic was done with JavaScript. We started by grabbing some parts of the JavaScript or getting the major items we need using the doc element where we have the game board, the timer, the message I will display, the play game button, the cancel game button. After that, I make a list of symbols or emojis that will be used in each of the cards. Then here it talks each emoji is going to be doubled twice as players so that players can match them. Okay, so from here the function shuffle down to um, the this part this part we'll use the emoji or the game card, the symbols so that the games can be different at each time. Here we made use of recalling to cancel the game and to clear the game after to clear the board after the game has been moved. And once the card here it talks about the timer where each of where 1 second is added to the time every time as the time goes on. Then we use the occurrence. Then here we have the setup logic for the game. Now, if a card is flipped, the card is first stored. The first card is stored. Then the second card is flipped to show if there's a match. And if there's a match, both of them remain flipped. And if there's no match, both of them we flip back after staying for 1 second. Yeah, this part does that. This handling of card flip does that. Then this is a successful message that comes when the player must have flipped everything, showing the number of moves and the time it spent flipping. So this one resets the game board after the player must have matched all the card. And here's the button that is used to cancel, or when the page is refreshed, the game can restart. Okay, and this one is a button to replay the game or play the game again. Okay, this one is about the game to load on. So that is just the walkthrough. We'll now see a demonstration. If it works, we'll go to the HTML and run on open. Okay, yeah. So I have this. Now, so you can see that it's working. Trying to get a match. Okay, I think I've gotten a match and both of them remain flipped. Okay, so that is the end of the presentation. Thank you.